Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You're starting from the back of the Jeep Patriot. Begin with access. Remove the small interior trim or carpet flap behind the tail lamp to expose fasteners. Once you see the screws or nuts, use a Phillips or 10mm socket to start loosening. Do not fully remove yet. Why? Keeping one fastener partial prevents the lamp from dropping unexpectedly. Make sure to wear gloves so you don't cut your hands and to protect the bulb from oils. Once the lamp is loose, support it with one hand and fully remove the remaining fasteners. Pull the assembly straight out about 1 to 2 inches to free the retaining tabs. You'll see the wiring harness. Press the release tab and disconnect it. Check for corrosion or loose pins because bad contacts cause intermittent lights. If changing a bulb only, twist out the bulb socket and install the new bulb, making sure it's seated. If swapping the whole assembly, align the tabs before pressing back. You're at the finish line. Reconnect the wiring harness and gently push the lamp assembly into its body tabs. Hand thread screws first so threads seat correctly, then snug with a tool, do not over-tighten. Close the interior access panel and clean the area. Now test stop, turn signal, reverse, and running light functions. If something fails, make sure the fuse and connectors are good. Use a test light or 12V source on the socket, and clean any
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.